Hey there, this is Professor Schmer. I got a student question about homework 8, problem 2. Find the quartic function that is the best fit for the data in the table below. Report the model with 3 significant digits in the coefficients. So to do a regression, I'm going to go to my stat function and enter. I have data in my list, so I need to go up and highlight the list title, in this case L2, and then I hit clear, enter. I go over to L1, highlight it, and do clear, enter. And now I'm going to enter the X values in list 1, making sure to use this negative key on the calculator for negative numbers and not the subtraction key. My X values are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I go over to list 2 and enter the Y values. I have 22, 2.5, 0, 2.5, 22, 94.5, and 280. Okay, I'm going to go back to my home screen by hitting second mode. And then I want a quartic function. So I'll go back into stat, go over to calc, and I want number 7, which says quartreg. That will be a quartic function. So I select number 7. My X list is list 1. My Y list is L2. Leave frequency list blank. If you want to store the equation, you can go to vars, yvars, function, y1, and then calculate. So notice that I have 3 of these answers in scientific notation. Anytime you have the E and then a negative number, that number tells you how many places after the decimal point your non-zero digits end up being. So B, for example, says -1.5, E -12. That means times 10 to the -12th. So this would be -0.000000000015. So that 15 doesn't even happen until the 12th spot after the decimal. When that happens, that number is basically 0. And so I'm not going to write the B term. So A is 1, so I have 1x to the 4th. B is essentially 0 because of that scientific notation. C is 1.5. So I'll do plus 1.5. So it's ax to the 4th, bx cubed, cx squared. So it will be 1.5x squared. And then dx, and then e. So both D and E are in scientific notation, basically representing the number 0 because of that E -12. So my actual equation is 1x to the 4th plus 1.5x squared. And I leave off all the terms that have a 0 coefficient. Now a coefficient of 1 doesn't need to be written in front of the x to the 4th. So I'll get rid of that. And my answer is just going to be x to the 4th plus 1.5x squared.